For generations, astronomers have searched the heavens, looking not just for new worlds or signals, but for defiance, those rare anomalies that break the cosmic status quo. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope may have uncovered one of the strangest. What started as basic monitoring of the solar system's third known interstellar visitor, 3 Atlas, has morphed into a discovery that's darker and far more consequential. Because drifting through the lonely chill past Mars, Webb registered something unprecedented. Not just a glimmer, but distinctly artificial light. Its glow wasn't produced by cometary ice or asteroid rock. It was a luminous fingerprint that ignored all ordinary rules. Now scientists find themselves staring into a cosmic riddle, asking the most chilling question: what is 3 Atlas? Join us as we plunge into the stream of evidence, reigniting humanity's oldest, most haunting fear. Are we alone?
It began as a mere pinpoint in the black, moving along a path no local object could travel. Instantly ruled interstellar, born beyond the sun's reach, expelled across the galaxy by unknown means, 3 Atlas crept into our cosmic neighborhood. Like Oumuamua and Borisov before it, initial curiosity was high, but something was always off. Its steadiness was unnatural. The brightness didn't match its estimated mass and gave off no signs of sporadic outgassing or dust. Instead, 3 Atlas's intensity, never flickering like a star, but steadfast, almost as if illuminated from the inside. As global telescopes focused in, Webb's unrivaled infrared gaze was tasked with unraveling the mystery. But rather than clarifying the anomaly, Webb deepened it. Scans revealed not reflected sunlight, but thermal emissions starting from 3 Atlas's core, a heat pulse not from scattering, but active emission. Its thermal map was unlike any natural origin, faintly pulsed, cycling with calculated timing, suggesting not chaos, but intention. Some experts clung to natural explanations: exotic radioactivity, heat from within, latent chemical reactions. But every plausible theory collapsed. The chilling truth loomed. It was generating power.
Stacked data compared from Webb, Hubble, and ground observatories began painting a disconcerting profile. Its trajectory wasn't random. It was calculated, as if maneuvering with intent, threading gravity wells with precision. Rotation remained so stable, it defied natural inertia. There was no tumbling. No comet-like tail, even when close to solar heat, suggested either shielding or some structural shell. Then came the wildest finding. In parts, its surface reflected light with the smoothness of polished metal, and its illumination wasn't a glow throughout the spectrum, but razor-sharp, focused bands, strikingly similar to human-made beacons, as if emitting with a deliberate broadcast. Light intensity even seemed to adjust as sunlight waxed and waned, pulsing subtly, not at random, but with a pattern. Astronomers analyzed the emission with every tool they had. Was it binary? A language? An internal mechanism at work? Nothing fit neatly, but intent was undeniable. Frequency patterns repeated too perfectly for nature. The emission's fingerprint matched neither asteroid nor comet, but technology. The notion of an artificial probe moved from sci-fi speculation to a guarded whisper in official channels.
With each new day, 3 Atlas challenged our sense of cosmic order. Its continuing, perfectly calibrated glow hinted that it wasn't a bystander, but something active, potentially even watching. As governments and research labs scrambled for answers, the only certainty was how unprepared we were. Suddenly, discussions of first contact didn't involve ships landing or messages beamed into space. They meant silent, ambiguous data and unspoken possibilities. Was 3 Atlas observing or testing, or waiting for a reply. A SETI team, prompted by growing suspicion, beamed a mathematical greeting toward its predicted path. For days, there was nothing. But then, a faint return, distorted, misaligned, yet unmistakably calculated, was timed precisely, as if waiting for us to notice. Simultaneously, observatories began reporting technical disturbances focused on tracking 3 Atlas. Strange data freezes, sudden realignments, small power flickers. Analysts whispered about intentional interference, jamming designed not to stop us, but remind us of limitations. Now, official agencies have retreated into secrecy and silence. The global science community is divided. Is this cautious validation or quiet panic? Behind layered encryption, the speculation continues. 3 Atlas's calculated maneuvers, its Fibonacci arcs through planetary orbits, and its affinity for prime-numbered pulses have led some theorists to a radical conclusion. This isn't just interstellar drift, it's an intentional message. A message encoded not in words, but in math, behavior, and light. As confusion lingers and silence grows, one reality is impossible to ignore. 3 Atlas is not just a stone from another system. It is acting, sending, and responding. And maybe, just maybe, we are not alone and never have been. The truth is not an answer, but an awakening. We are being observed, and the next move is no longer ours alone.